as you can see, this tap is connected to the motor and the motor is connected to the device. So here this gauge will be showing the actual pressure. So now it is currently at 1.5 kg. Now as you can see, both the things are on and motor is currently not running. We will turn off the tap so that the pressure will go zero and all the pressure gauge reading will be zero. So now as you can see, the pressure is at zero. Now we are turning on to see what is the current tap pressure. So this is turn on. We will turn off the device output. So as you can see, currently the tap pressure is at 0.7. Now we are going to turn on the motor. You can see the pressure gauge to what level it can go in off condition. As you can see, the pressure has now gone to 4.5. It can go up till 10 kg if there is no output. Now the motor is turned down. The pressure is still at around 3 kg. Why? Because there is a pressure inside the pipe. So as you can see, the device is very much capable to hold up till 8 kg of blocking pressure and burst pressure of 14 kg. Now we will show how the output flow comes when it is in tap and when the motor is on, and what is the pressure of the output when motor is on. You can see the difference because once the pressure increases, you can use the multi-port autogardner devices for sprinkler, misting, covering more than 300-400 plants. So now you can see all the 3 ports are turned on. Now I am going to turn on the motor. Now you can see the pressure of the output.